Here we are Tuesday morning. We have the wire put on the rails all the way around. The staircase is completed, and today we're on the outside. We're beginning to build. The sun's going to be in the way pretty good here. And here we're going to build a retaining wall that will hold back this dirt so it won't erode. We'll put some 12-inch block up and build it about 5 or 6 foot high. This is Tony and Bill making the concrete. Tony and the boys loaded up all of their scaffold and they're heading out. They won't be back for a while until we get some other inspections. We've been putting in a lot of the plumbing. This is what the plumbing looks like. We're putting in the furnace ductwork, going into the mechanical room, up into the service, back down the hall. You can see the ductwork going up. Over here we dropped the ceiling. This is where we dropped the ceiling 1 foot down so we can run the ductwork through here back into the guest bathroom. Dropped it down. This is the tub and shower here, and we'll go upstairs and take a look. Running electrical wire all around for the outlets. Stop there. Move over here fast. We haven't got the kitchen started yet. Walk through the walls here. We're in the closet right now. Put up a bathroom ceiling fan, and we're in the master bedroom here running wires. Beautiful outside today. Mom's already cleaning the house. We come out here and sweep it down every day. They have a lot of dirt there today, so we will probably wait a while, but the stairs are done. We'll put the stuff away. It's getting kind of late tonight. Just looking down the driveway. Hopefully the dirt man will be here and get things cut in.